늦은 밤 일을 마치고 퇴근하는 리아. 그때 누군가 리아를 납치하고 어딘가에서 깨어난 리아.
Hello?
옆방엔 의문의 남자가 있었고 벽돌로 둘러싸인 대저택. 결국 리아는 다시 쓰러지죠. 한편 이곳엔 리아 말고도 8명의 사람들이 더 있었는데 이들 모두 여기가 어딘지 자신이 왜 여기 있는지 모르는 상태였죠.
Now you know how you got here. Sure, you're all one mice in a laboratory. Leave $5 million for his walk out of this house alive.
Who the fuck was that?
Fucking hell.
To get the fuck out of here now, man!
Only one will live. What does that mean? What, is someone going to kill us?
No, that's not what they're gonna. Because they left me here with this.
Did you get that?
Relax. I'm a cop.
One of us with a gun, and it's a fucking white cop. Last time I saw one of those, it was in my little brother's head.
Well, that wasn't me, was it?
시작부터 갈등을 빚는 사람들.
You know, we could put this energy to better use.
Find a way out of here.
Exactly.
Ready, guys? On 3.
이들은 식탁으로 문을 부수려는데
Let's split up and check the entire house.
흩어져서 탈출구를 찾아보는 사람들.
Better back, come on.
이곳은 절대 탈출이 불가능한 곳이었죠.
Did you all forget what the man said? I think one of us will get out of here. You thought about that?
$5 million's a lot of money.
People will do anything for that.
Sure, I said nobody's playing this game.
There'll be no killer.
And anybody does anything like that.
We'll wait and we'll see who will do what.
What was that?
그때 음식이 나오고
One piece of chicken and one potato for each. We're gonna save the rest.
I'll eat what I want when I want, thank you.
Yeah, I didn't make myself. One piece of chicken and one potato.
This is fucking cold.
I don't eat meat.
Cool.
Hey, wait. Listen, split that up between... Yeah?
It's going back with the rest.
We do not even know each other. My name is Father Michael Duffy. Now, who might you be?
I'm Jay.
I'm Cynthia, and this is my husband Francis.
Max, clothing designer.
Not Max Roy, are you? I met you years ago in New York.
That's you. Claire Levy.
Yeah.
Levy, everyone. The big tennis star.
I'm Leah.
Wow, the chorus.
Yeah.
Have you been dancing for?
Sure, no. If I don't get out of here by tomorrow, I'm going back.
With a record label last night. Rowdy. That's why they call me Al B.
정말 다양한 직업군을 가진 가지각색의 사람들.
Oi! What the fuck are you doing?
Look nice. Where was that?
Any of your business, but I was doing a photo shoot.
Looks to me like all you do is get dressed up and get drunk at parties.
리아는 경찰 제이와 한 방을 쓰게 되는데
Do you have a family?
I did. I got one son and he's just starting school. Yeah, it's not easy living with a cop. You? Are you married?
No, too young for that. It's like a bad dream.
And unite us in bonds of love.
That's a lot of money. Money your family used.
Prepared to kill to get it back.
2 years you haven't been prepared to do anything, but
Made any money since before we got married.
I'm an artist.
그때 누군가 제이의 총을 노리고
Who was just in here?
What are you talking about?
Somebody was just in here looking for this.
All us blacks are the same, ain't we, innit?
Please, we must keep our differences out of the...
결국 다시 거실에 모인 사람들.
The thing that I need to get through this is in the drinks cabinet.
What was that?
What?
Listen.
그때 어디선가 소리가 들려오고 좌절하는 사람들. 결국 술판이 일어나고
No, let me turn off this shit.
프란시스는 건물 곳곳 무기를 준비했죠. 그때 프란시스의 부인에게 들이대는 흑형.
What do you think it's doing?
그때 흑형이 실수로 프란시스의 부인을 죽게 만들고 말죠.
They both came at me. I just tried to push her off me, yeah, and she tried. Shut up!
결국 독방에 수감되는 흑형.
Bitch, man!
Start to rash. He's sending me less food this time.
Just give him something.
Here. Where's the priest?
그때 신부님이 오지랖을 부려버리고 의외로 일찍 리타이어하는 제이. 제이는 신부님에게 총을 건네주죠.
Good work?
What's that supposed to mean? Why is there so much more?
Say I didn't want it, did I?
What do you want?
Apparently, your friend over there. Extra food and some wine.
See that shit with your wife?
It was an accident. I know.
한편 이제 밥도 따로 떨어져서 먹는 사람들. 그런데 스스로 목숨을 끊은 흑형.
You know, I hate to say it. Francis, I don't trust him. Claire and Shauna are... Leah, she's so sweet, but I can still rely on you. Can I still rely on you, Mac? Portion-wise.
그때 리아에게 프란시스가 접근하고 감전당하는 리아.
I told you, don't touch my. Trying it on. It's cheap shit anyway.
나머지 여자들 중에서도 살인이 일어나죠.
Let's go. Oh, blessed Mary.
It's about dinner time, Father. There'll be more than this.
Heartless bastard.
Right! Shoot me then! Come on, shoot me! Do it! Shoot me! Yeah!
그때 리아가 다시 깨어나고 결국 프란시스를 쏴버리는 신부님. 그 와중에 조용히 있던 디자이너가 갑자기 여자를 죽이려 하고 결국 또 손에 피를 묻히는 신부님. 그런데 살아있던 프란시스가 여자를 살해하고 말죠. 결국 신부님도 최후를 맞이하고
I won!
리아에게 향하는 프란시스.
Leah! Hey, my chorus dancer! Hey.
결국 프란시스가 최후를 맞이하죠. 얼떨결에 최후의 1인이 된 리아. 그런데 또 다른 게임이 펼쳐진 것을 암시하며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 하우스 오브 나인이었습니다. 바이러스로 인해 500만 명만 생존한 미래의 인류. 인류는 거인들, 아니 바이러스를 피해 벽 안에 살고 있었는데 독재 정부에 재앙하는 반항군 모니칸의 요원 이온이 등장하죠. 키스를 통해 임무칩을 전달받은 이온.
Eon, we have an assignment.
Good child central surveillance.
This is my daughter. Have you seen her? Disappeared 2 months ago. Please, miss. Have you seen this kid?
Shopping for me, Una?
Haven't you heard? Finally coming to dinner.
Well, I wanted to meet with you here. I may not make it tonight. I'm sorry.
It's why. Different ways of solving problems.
You ignore them. Here's one.
Come back.
하나뿐인 동생을 뒤로하고 임무를 수행하는 이온. 이온은 중앙 통제실 잠입에 성공하고
I think we have different ways of solving.
파괴에 성공하는 이온. 그런데 이온의 동생이 살해당하죠.
She wasn't a mannequin.
I had a family once. All I have is a mission.
Come back.
모든 걸 잃은 이온.
Yes.
She will see you now.
We have an assignment. One you've been waiting for.
Good child.
Eliminate him.
이온은 드디어 독재 정부의 수장 트레버를 제거하는 명을 받는데
Hello, Sathandra.
Still can't surprise you.
Not yet.
동료 요원 시산드라와 침투를 시작하는 이온.
Sathandra, let's keep moving.
2000년대 초반 영화 특유의 쌈마이한 무술 액션이 계속 펼쳐지고 무사히 건물 안으로 들어온 두 사람.
Agree with the policy of targeting. We're going too far.
Go too far with them.
There are advantages.
Can't allow them the luxury of hope.
Growing strong soon.
So you want to compromise?
Policy should be reconsidered.
Policy?
Debating it.
This with a little more detachment, Giro. It must be impersonal.
회의가 진행 중인 정부.
That is all.
I'm getting worried about you, Orin. This created. I won't apologize for that.
And what about the test result?
All negative.
Find me a new test group by morning. I know you have tried patience more than ever. We must sit down what we have done and seek to develop.
그리고 이온은 마침내 트레버를 마주하는데
Catherine. It's you.
결국 어리바리타다 제압당하는 이온.
Wait outside. Eon.
You called me by another name.
I did, and you let me live.
Give me my gun.
Maybe later.
What was that name?
You know me, don't you?
No.
Do you know who you are?
I know I came here to...
That's why you're in a cell. We're both still alive for a reason.
이온에게 계속 전생의 기억이 겹쳐 보이고 미리 준비해둔 장치로 탈출하는 이온.
This is outrageous and eluding all of our Trevor's concept of to learn to accept.
Except our input. And now she's escaped. It's a coincidence. I think I should talk. I think all of you.
그런데 사실 트레버의 동생이 배신자였죠.
What happened?
My sources access the best Monica.
She failed.
It's the first time she...
My brother.
We're vulnerable.
Preparing his speech.
1300. Praise to you in any case.
It's comforting. Stop. No, that's impossible.
Claudius. Why are you still...
Not as simple as you...
Should I be thinking?
You don't know.
What don't I killed her?
You killed her, Eon. That's why she died.
동생이 죽은 이유를 알게 된 이온.
What are you really doing here?
Working.
Good child.
I blame them too. I don't think it was Trevor trying to help. He was trying to cure us. That's all I know.
Trevor tried to... Tell me what's in this.
It's a message. That's how it works. I loved her.
그렇게 이온은 안약을 넣어보는데
Eon. To talk in the open, because as it seems, why did you hesitate?
트레버에게 향하는 이온.
Why am I here?
Good to see you again.
You killed my sister.
I didn't know anything about it,
I don't need that to kill.
but it would be easier. You changed when I saw you. I know you, and you know me.
Why do I feel this way around?
그렇게 두 사람은 몸부터 섞어보죠. 그런데 이온은 잠자리가 영 별로였던 걸까요? 그때 의문의 방을 발견한 이온. 이곳은 대체 뭐 하는 곳일까요? 비밀 연구실에 들어온 이온. 이온 자신의 전생의 사진을 발견하죠.
Found you.
그렇게 전투가 시작되고 도망치는 이온.
I'm gonna damage your chairman.
You may leave.
She's escaped.
I'm not surprised. Freya, I want her alive.
What Trevor's done for us is not above reproach. This is treason.
He knew what that would mean.
He must be removed.
Trevor has betrayed all of us.
이제 트레버가 배신자로 몰리고
Killing him kindly. Mission is changed. What has happened? Doing orders anymore. You're doing this, Eon. It has become more complex. May now be responsible for Una's death.
Trevor. Mission was to kill good child. Can or won't do that.
I need you to think for yourself.
A lot more than that. Hurt you if I have to.
Cassandra, I don't know who I am.
결국 동료를 제압하는 이온.
This sort of thing used to be fun.
그때 이온은 갑자기 비행체에 들어가 보려 하죠.
Turn to stream.
Suki Denali. Welcome back.
이 요상한 남자도 이혼을 아는 듯 했는데
Una Flux. Reassigned.
그 지각 살아있던 시잔드라는 상부의 이혼의 배신을 보고하죠.
Handler.
Sathandra.
Is still alive.
Eon failed.
She let him live. Thing between them. Thing personal.
Eon Flux considered a fugitive and must be considered a threat. Move quickly.
Yes.
It's her.
Yeah, she was here.
What's she looking for?
Her sister, Una.
There's nobody here.
애기로 환생한 듯한 이혼의 동생.
You're right.
You cloned her.
I cloned everybody. Complication with the industrial. It had an unintended side. Sterility of our species could survive. Never been used on humans. But we succeed and dies. Their DNA is recycled. 7 generations, Oren and I have cloned, trying to find a cure. While we all live on. Supposed to be permanent. Cure the infertility. Part of one of my test rooms. Oren lied to me. Tested failed like the other. He had become pregnant. Killed all of the subjects, sister included. Una didn't know it. First new children in 400 years.
그렇게 모든 비밀이 밝혀지고
Loyalty to Trevor can't protect you anymore.
Deeper than any of this.
They don't want you.
Go!
놈들의 기습이 시작되죠.
One can safe house.
Safe for us.
겨우 빠져나온 두 사람.
Anywhere else? I managed to miss you. Go outside the wall. First, I have to end this.
From Una's test group, will find the lab and destroy everything I've done.
그렇게 두 사람은 연구실로 향하죠.
We need your help.
We have orders to shoot you on sight.
Coming from an illegitimate government, but neither can they. Shoot us or help us. We need weapons to get back into the city.
Yes, sir.
Attention. Please return to your homes. Be updated frequently.
We're getting closer.
Wait.
Catherine, you were my wife.
You need to tell me.
Lost you during the disease and died 7 times since. Time I taught myself about. When I saw you, what I felt was real. I knew you. I remembered you.
Chaos out there. A coup against Goodchild.
Bring a way to find her.
There's a trace of the pill in her.
그런데 파괴되어 버린 트레버의 연구실.
Brea. It's all gone. You and I need to get out of here.
There's one more thing to do. Destroy it.
No. Cloning is all we
Not enough. Raveling, and every time you bring us back,
do. This we
we're
end.
meant to die. Anything about us matter.
이혼은 복제 정보가 저장된 비행체를 폭발시키려 했죠.
For you to decide.
You don't have to. You'll find the cure again.
It's over, Trevor.
그때 트레버의 동생이 나타나고 모니칸들도 이혼을 제거하려 하죠.
Position acquired.
It's getting complicated. Waiting for the go on my signal.
그때 이혼이 텔레파시를 시도하고
Sathandra, you chose this Eon. Help me. You still know me.
결국 이혼을 구해주는 시산드라.
Orders have changed. Cover Eon.
이혼은 무사히 비행체에 도착해 폭탄을 설치하죠. 추락하는 복제센터. 그렇게 벽이 어물고 복제인간들로 생존한 인류는 새로운 미래를 맞이하게 되며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 이온 플럭스였습니다. 영화 이온 플럭스는 2006년에 개봉한 SF 영화로 재치있고 철학적인 동명의 애니메이션을 원작으로 한 실사 영화인데요. 당시 최고의 섹시 아이콘이었던 샤를리즈 테론이 주연을 맡았지만 오히려 팬들은 원작의 캐릭터와는 안 맞는다고 반대했었다고 하네요. 그리고 결과는 아시다시피 폭망에 가까웠죠. 배우들의 연기와 미래적인 디자인들은 괜찮았지만 너무 진부한 느낌의 할리우드식 스토리와 원작을 너무 무시한 점들이 흥행 실패의 요인이 아니었나 싶습니다. 결국 이 영화는 제작비 회수도 실패하며 사람들의 기억 속에서 사라졌는데요. 그래도 다시 보니 2006년에 만들어진 영화치고는 CG도 훌륭하고 킬링타임용으로는 꽤 괜찮았던 것 같습니다. 현재 영화 이온 플럭스는 웨이브, 쿠팡플레이, 넷플릭스 등의 사이트에서 감상하실 수 있음을 알려드립니다. 뉴욕 어딘가?
You see that guy? That was me not so long ago.
작가의 꿈을 안고 페인 생활을 보내고 있는 주인공 에디.
Just like that?
Hardly a surprise.
Let's just not do this. Okay, I'm gonna hand in 90 back. I was thinking that we
Don't
should
propose.
에디는 결국 여친에게 차여버리고
Eddie Mora. You've been like 9 years?
Hey,
You living on the streets. Are you still trying to write?
I have a book contract.
This is an exclusive product. Now they say that we can only access what this does. You access all of it. I don't want to. Don't be angry. You know how much that costs?
우연히 만난 친구에게 뇌 용량 확장약을 받은 에디. 그렇게 천재가 된 에디는 집 청소부터 시작하죠. 그동안 못했던 글쓰기를 담수해버리는 에디. 다음날 에디의 약발은 사라져 있었죠.
You're kidding.
Oh, keep reading. I'll give you back the advance.
Eddie, I'm 40 pages. How'd you do this?
약의 효과는 그야말로 대박.
Not a good time, Eddie.
Hey, oh, whoa.
So, Eddie, you are interested after.
What's it called?
Doesn't have a street name. So you want some more?
Yes.
Dry cleaners, grab my suit for me.
에디는 일단 친구의 심부름을 해주는데 살해당한 친구.
Okay, I won't.
에디는 이 틈을 타 약을 찾아보기 시작하죠.
Let me see your hands.
No, I'm the one who called. I called you guys. So,
다행히 에디는 바로 풀려나고 새로운 삶을 얻게 된 에디.
Book in 4 days. Play the piano in 3 days. Math became useful.
Even half listening to any language, I became fluent. About everything. Sure, you get a short term. Heard, scene was now organized. Eddie.
그렇게 에디는 판을 키워보기로 하죠.
Upping the dose for over a week seemed to cut my learning curve. Account contained over $2 million. My bank raising my line of credit. A reporter from the New York. Kevin Doyle trying to sound casual.
Wants to meet you.
Buona. Dalle tagliate, per istruzione.
No, è dal contadino.
When do you speak Italian?
Self-improvement month.
전 여친과도 다시 합치게 된 에디.
What you doing, huh?
Nothing.
그런데 그때
Are you okay?
어쨌든 에디는 거물 투자자 칼을 만나게 되고
Hey, Carl. How are you? So, Eddie Mora, what's your secret?
It's method. But of course, research was a component. Dispensed with all the hard statistics, and I went right to the rumor mill.
on what? The Tom Thomas meeting?
I do have a formula, Mr. Pierce.
Stocks in a way which I haven't seen before.
Big ass merger you're contemplating.
Well, you're an amazing con artist, so you're a very smart young man. All right, you get your shot.
칼에게 인정받은 에디.
Then how far could I go?
그때 에디의 부작용이 시작되죠.
I couldn't account for the last 18 hours of my life.
Call me when you get this.
심지어 약까지 떨어졌고
Eddie?
Listen, I can't make
I can't come in today. I'm sick.
Well, you can't have the flu right now. He'll never give you the...
Okay. I'll be there.
Hey, how are you? Beats me out of 2 properties.
Was found dead in her room last night. A victim.
We lose you if there's a screen in the room?
Pardon me 1 second.
자신이 살인을 저질렀을 수도 있다는 사실을 알게 된 에디는 약을 복용했던 사람들에게 전화를 걸어보는데
3 were dead, and the rest were sick.
Hello?
그렇게 추격전이 시작되고 자신에게 약을 줬던 친구의 동생을 만나러 온 에디.
Melissa.
I didn't want you to see me this way. As he'll do that to you. Vernon didn't tell you any of this.
No.
What have you been taking, Eddie?
I've been taking a lot.
You're off it right now.
Just finish your story.
Well, take any more and I didn't die for longer than 10 minutes. That was 2 years ago. You have some left? Just stop. You'll die if you just stop.
역시나 약은 죽음이라는 부작용이 있었죠.
Tyler, I gotta go.
I had no choice. I told Lindy everything.
결국 모든 사실을 알게 된 여자친구.
You want me to go get it? In my house.
You got it?
Yeah, someone following me. Walking over here.
그때 여친도 그 남자에게 쫓기게 되고
Okay, I need you to.
약을 먹어보는 여친. 그렇게 에디도 정신을 차리게 되죠.
You okay?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry about what happened.
I get it. I totally get it. You feel invincible.
Where we'll be a year from now.
Well, you might have to live it without.
I have a plan, I swear.
I hope you do.
현명한 여친은 에디를 떠나죠.
Unless you see a real threat, knowing that I have any secure me, never more than 15 steps behind.
경호원부터 고용하는 에디.
105. That's what you're talking to, Carl.
Ironically, it's going to be crude.
Well, can I combine these ingredients in the same exact 18 months?
I'll give you $2 million if you can do it in 6.
에디는 대비책도 세워두고
So have you decided, Eddie? What are you going to do?
This is over? You haven't given me the answer.
But you're not going to continue to work for me anymore. Now, I'll open up a line of credit and a few toys.
칼의 신임을 얻어낸 에디.
What I needed was a bunker.
그런데 거래가 무산될 위기에 놓이고
Okay, the decision could have changed, but this courtesy doesn't.
Excuse me, Mr. Van Loon?
My husband experienced some currently at Lenox Hill, undergoing tests. The intention of signing the contract.
알고 보니 투자자도 약물 복용자였죠.
Well, why be surprised?
Associates and Hank Atwood.
Have you been talking to anyone?
Talking to anybody, Carl? I'm not stupid.
그런데 사라져버린 에디예요.
Mr. Mora, this just came for you.
What you're about to say is bullshit. I know Eddie from me. I smell it. Eddie! Eddie!
More twists and turns in the Van Loon.
결국 에디는 해탈하는데 약을 노린 깡패들이 도착하고 여기서 끝낼 수는 없었죠. 약을 놓쳐버린 에디.
You gonna tell me where the rest is? I'm plumb out. Guys are gonna find it. But don't worry, everything's sterilized.
그때 에디가 반격에 성공하고 놈의 피를 먹는 에디. 그렇게 에디의 공격이 시작되죠. 놈들을 모두 처리한 에디. 에디는 사망한 투자자의 약을 슬쩍 하죠.
Actually, no, there's no more tickets. Well, here he comes. I'll ask him. Edward, we're looking at a second overflow of...
유명 정치인이 된 에디.
Carl?
Mr. Mora.
What a surprise. Told me somebody from Ivan was coming.
Of course, yeah. That's surprised you didn't hear.
No, well, let me hop in here.
Lay off, Senator Mora. Ask yourself what you're going to do when you run out.
그런데 칼은 에디의 비밀을 알고 있었죠.
What did you know?
Does it matter? I know now.
So, Ivan makes NZT.
Point out the advantages for you.
Oh, I think maybe you do.
Limitless supply.
You sure about that?
Down your lab this morning.
Thanks for stopping by, Carl.
Do you want to be president of the United States or brain dead?
Some smart ass in NZT might have 2 or 3, or you tweak it, re-engineer it, get the bugs out.
Well, on it or off it, there's no scenario where you're not working.
Trade on inside information 17 times. By dumping in Chile, disappeared officials. I mean, you
Go to war with me? I have no idea what kind of enemy I
that
can
van's gonna rear in that taxi. I see everything, Carl. Something's pumping a half-mast in there. Walls of your heart need to get that replaced.
시원하게 한 방 먹이는 에디.
Don't forget the vote.
그나저나 에디는 정말 약을 끄는 걸까요?
How's your day going?
I've had better.
Still can't deal with that haircut.
No, man. 약이 우회진가? 난 좋아.
그럼 그렇지.
What?
에디가 약을 계속 먹고 있음을 암시하며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 리미트리스였습니다. 만약 여러분의 뇌를 100% 사용할 수 있다면 여러분은 무엇 하시겠습니까? 아니 그 전에 여러분들은 과연 이 약을 드시겠습니까? 과연 여러분은 주인공처럼 위험에 처하지 않고 성공할 수 있을까요? 능력이 커질수록 대가는 반드시 따르는 법. 세상에 쉬운 성공은 없다는 사실을 다시 한번 알려드리며 저는 물러가도록 하겠습니다. 영상 재밌게 보셨나요? 영상 재밌으셨다면 구독과 좋아요 꼭 부탁드리고요. 짧은 리뷰 형식의 특성상 생략된 에피소드가 많으니 꼭 풀버전 감상을 추천드립니다. 그럼 저는 더 재밌는 영화로 돌아오겠습니다.